What's going on, guys? I'm Sidney Cumbie, and you're watching the Sidney Cumbie channel, makeup channel. I don't know what my YouTube channel is called. I don't know. It's a channel. So this makeup is going to be another zombie. Why another zombie? Well, everybody loves zombies, and I happen to be like the #1 zombie fan, so whatever. I'm going to do zombies until I die. So this makeup was on my friend Gordon Tarpley. All his information will be below. And we did this makeup over at European Body Art, EBA. I went all the way down to Orange County from LA and did this makeup with him. It was a lot of fun. So of course we used all European Body Art airbrush colors. We used European Body Art Silabond adhesive, their silicone adhesive. We also used, I was the first one to use their cream palettes. They have a new cream palette out, and it is pretty good. It blends really well, and it stays, so it does not budge once it dries. That's a really good thing about a cream color. And I usually save it for the last, so at the end of the video, you'll see me using the cream colors, which is around the wound, in the ears, the nose, maybe around the mouth. But you know, that said, just watch the video. I hope you guys enjoy it, because I know you will. It's a zombie. It's a nice Walking Dead zombie, Walking Dead sort of style zombie. And until next time, guys, I'll catch you later. Subscribe to the channel, comment below, do all the good stuff, and I'll catch you guys later.